Let's go. Alright, we are loaded up. We're taking off. There's a little baby bass right here. Okay. Probably could have put it in the water a little further, but I'm gonna go ahead and get going. We are underway. And in case you're wondering, hey, you seem kind of big on this kayak. You would be correct. I am 6'4", 240, and this is not a very big kayak, but as you can see, works good enough for me until I can afford a boat. I mean, really, it's pretty hard to flip a kayak unless you're just not very balanced or kind of prone to accidents. You just gotta be mindful about which way your weight is shifting. So we'll get everything organized while we're headed out to the spot. All right, I don't know if you can see that, but we got some good bait about midline. So we're gonna start off, get the first rod out. Stinky, stinky shad. Start off with a little chunk, and we'll go from there. Shad head. Head is always my favorite piece. Now, since I am on a kayak, when I set this down, I'm going to loosen my drag just tight enough where the fish is not going to tip me. We'll start off 2, 3, 4. We'll start off 4 cranks. All right. Second rod. We will try a bottom rig, see if there's anything going on at the bottom. Throw on a midsection for this one. So I realized I should probably switch these rods around. Alright, that line right there is where my bait is hanging out. This rod, clicker on. Double check the drag. Feels pretty good. Now we wait. This is how I use a 2D sonar as a live scope. You just drop down in front and you just watch your line. See, That's my line right there. Just watch for the marks. And that way you know you're at the right depth. Got something big. Come on. It's all wrapped up in my other line. This is a mess. GoPro died. Hooked into something big, line's tangled. Wouldn't have it any other way, huh? He's still going. He will not give up. I saw a surface and it's definitely over 20-pound blue. But I got a blade bait on, so I can't pull too hard or else it'll straighten the hooks or pull the hooks. So I'm just waiting for him to wear out, but he does not want to give. Get the fucking size of that thing. Oh my God. Holy shit, dude. It barely fits in the net. He is curled up. Holy God. Look at this fucking tank, dude. Oh my God. Oh. 37 pounds, let's go. Dude, this thing is fat. We're hooked up, baby. Come on. Oh, that's another good one. Come on. Come on, get to the other side. Fuck. Come on. Oh, fuck. Oh, little channel kitty. Oh, you little bitch. Come here. Not a bad little guy. Quick release. Deuce. Alright. Frozen shad because I don't know how to use a cast net. And just drop it down a hole. Just simple Carolina rig today. Just all the fish today have been pretty suspended. A lot of bait fish towards the surface. Try to, yeah, nice and balanced. So just sit there and bloop, bloop, I'm a little fish, don't eat me. There. Get our depth set. Once I find it, where are you? Oh, too far. Trying to be right, there's me. I want to be up a little higher. Pretty happy with that. Hooked up to another one, baby. A little smaller, but not tiny either. Oh, no. I lost a decent one earlier because I pulled too hard. Try to not make the same mistake twice. Of course, it bit another bite on my smallest rod. At least I got 80-pound braid on it. So as long as the hook holds up and the reel holds up, we should be fine. That's a nice one. Come on. Let's go. Jesus Christ. Alright, let's get you unhooked. What'd you say? Huh? Okay. He said he won't bite me if I hurry the fuck up. I really need a new net, man. This thing is not cutting it. Come here, motherfucker. You know, close enough to call it 19. Oh. Alright, I'm headed back in. Overall, not a bad day. Ended up catching a 37-pound blue, a 19-pound blue, had a 25-pound plus come off, but that was on me for tightening the drag too much, and then a little channel cat. Overall, not too bad. I've only fished here a couple times before, but this was the first trip where I actually felt like I'd done proper research and it seemed to paid off. See you guys next time.